morning, all of you. Now I am introducing my two daughters who are studying in Gautam Talent School. This is my elder daughter, M. Nehal Shah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Studying 6th standard. This is my younger daughter, M. Charvi Shah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Studying in 4th standard in Gautam Talent School. My husband and their father, Dr. M. Shambabu, orthopedist, working as a civil assistant surgeon in ESI Hospital, Tirupati, and myself, Dr. C. Sushama, working as an associate professor in Sri Vidyaniketan College of Engineering in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. This is about my family. Now, today I am sharing my opinion on online classes of my children. The management created different WhatsApp groups for their respective classes like 6th class, 4th class, etc. So in each and every group they are posting the schedule from morning to evening for the students. So in each and every schedule of their respective groups they are posting the deadline time also. Within the deadlines, the students of that particular classes, like 4th class, 6th class, 2nd class, 5th class, they have to complete their work within the deadline. By posting these type of schedule, that students can know what they have to do when they have to do. So at the same time, they are alerting the teachers for each and every student to monitoring the students' performance. So by monitoring the performance of the students can be having an alert, that is nothing but they are having an alert type. They will complete the total classwork or homework within the time of their alerting. The alerted teachers are calling twice a day, and they are monitoring what is the status of the particular student work. For example, my younger daughter work, madam was calling and asking for what is the status of work, ma'am, completing or going on, like that. They are monitoring the status of the each and every student work. At the same time, once they completed the total work, they have to take the pictures and they have to post the groups, respective groups of their classes. Once they will see that particular completion of the work of their students, they will assess the work of the students and they will give the rankings. That is nothing but the performance they are given like stars. Once the students will know what is the performance they are getting, automatically they are very happy. So that's why the scheduling they are posting, they are monitoring each and every student, what is the performance, what is the status, and after completion of the work of the particular student or a child, they are assessing the work of that particular student. It's a very happy for their performance. Management is not only focusing on the academics of their students and the childs, they are also focusing on their personal growth of the students. That is, for example, like they are giving the schedule of prayer, they are giving the schedule of yoga. At the same time, they are posting the videos for bedtime stories, like that. They are also concentrating on the students' growth, personal growth. While teaching the classes also, when they are teaching the classes to the particular students, they are feeling like they are in front of them only. So they are teaching the classes particularly for that particular topic. They are clearly explaining the each and every topic when they are discussing on the board. At the same time, the teachers are they are motivating really through mobiles. But by making all these type of activities by their children, parents should take the whole responsibility with lot of patience. Whenever we are telling to that particular our childs, automatically they will neglect our words. But with lot of patience, we have to do the work. That is nothing but we have to make them to do the work. Why? Because school students only follow the words of their teachers. Once we told this is wrong, this is right, at the time of homework also, no, my madam is told like this, my sir is told like this, they will follow only the words of the teacher. So that's why it's a very difficult task for the parents to do such type of things like prayer, yoga, exercise, writing the classwork, homework. All these things are very difficult tasks for the parents, but they are taking whole responsibility with lot. It's a very difficult task. I know it's a very difficult task for the patient to accomplish all the tasks with their children. So to accomplish such type of task, they have to get more involved in the work, what they are doing, what they are writing, what perfectly they are writing, neat handwriting or not. We have to go through each and every task which they are performing. But most of the parents are done their jobs perfectly whenever I am observing the status of the WhatsApp group of Gautam school. My daughters are also supporting me for completion of their works with some struggle, but they are completing within the time. If the teachers also giving some excuses, suppose they are not feeling healthy at that time, they are giving some time for that particular students to complete their tasks after one day, after the day, that is nothing but tomorrow they will submit their works, like that they are giving the excuses. I know conducting all these type of online classes, especially for school students, it's a very difficult task for the management, for the teachers, for everyone who is taking a responsibility for these type of schools. But this teachers as well as the management is taking very care about their students. They are calling each and every time. If the students are having any doubts, they are giving the time for the interaction also. At the same time, they are conducting the weekly tests. I think Friday evening or Friday afternoon they are conducting the weekly test. Once they are conducting the weekly test, it will be assessed by some parents. Suppose the parents are not able to assess that particular work of the student, I mean their child, automatically the particular test sheet will be assessed by their teachers. So once they got the assessment, they will give the gifts also. They are awarding or rewarding the students who are perfectly neat handwriting, for following the diet perfectly, like that they are giving the rewards also. These are all the motivational tasks which they are performing for the benefit of the students. Now finally, I would like to thank the management of Gautam's Talent School, who are performing these type of activities on behalf of my children and myself. So I really thank to Ramya ma'am, Purnima ma'am and Sulochana ma'am, who are taking care and responsibility of my daughters. I really appreciating that all teachers are really hardworking. They are starting the work from early morning to night 11:30, 12. They are working hardly. At the same time, these are all teachers are working for the benefit of their students. Please continue the same support and effort for the benefit of students and our children. Thank you all. Stay safe and stay home. Thank you.